Hello and welcome to a tutorial video on how to install Xilinx Vivado HL Webpack Edition. And the first thing we're going to be doing is going to xilinx.com. And we're going to scroll to the bottom and you'll see a link that says Downloads and Licensing. We'll go ahead and click on that. And Vivado Design Suite-XLX Edition is what we're looking for. We're going to use the Xilinx Unified Installer 2020.2 version. It's a Windows self-extracting web installer. So you get a page here to input your personal information, and then you can click download. Select keep. Go ahead and open that up once it's done. The Unified Xilinx installer will now open. We'll go ahead and click Allow Access. And we'll go ahead and get started. Click Next to begin after this welcome page. Now you'll enter your Xilinx credentials here, email address and password for your account. We'll use the download and install now option and click next. We're going to be installing Vivado, so we'll select that here. And then click next. We're going to be doing the Vivado HL Webpack. Select that option and go ahead and click next. Now we're going to select the add-on for MATLAB and Simulink, Model Composer and System Generator. We'll unclick UltraScale and UltraScale Plus. Our download size is 16.9 gigs and 64.31 gigs required on the disk to install. And then we'll click next. Hit I agree. You'll select your location for where you'd want your program to be installed. We're just going to use the C Xilinx folder. And if you'd like it for all users, you can click that. We'll just do current user for us. And your disk space required here are all notated. It'll ask you if you want to create that folder. Since it doesn't exist, you'll go ahead and click yes. And then click install. So it'll ask you a few prompts along the way. Go ahead and click install. When PCAP 4.1.3 installation, go ahead and click next. Agree to the license agreement. I agree. You can leave this checked and hit install. We'll click allow access here. And that's it. Installation completed successfully. You can hit OK. And thanks for watching. Hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe. Thank you.